Hi, and thank you for letting us see this video. My name is Alex. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, be found on Google, of course, and organic competition and get more patients in this case. So, first things first, I have your website right here, and one of the things that I have to point out first is that it says here not secure. The native website is not secure, but this is very simple to fix. You just have to install a certification of security in your domain, and it will be removed from here. And that should be a secure website. So it's going to scare people away sometimes. So definitely make sure you take fix this first. Um, the second thing that I have to point out is the lack of content. And by content is not just about images, the icons, it's also about the wording over here. So adding more content if it's relevant, if it's good quality, well written, and most important, if you include the keywords that you want to be found for, it will definitely help your website to start ranking, and not just here on the homepage, but the subpages, for example, services. So we have subpages here, so let's take a look at chiropractic treatments. And see, you have this information over here, which I believe is very useful, but you should definitely add content that has keywords that you want to be found for. And I'll show you that in a few seconds as well. If you look in the backend of your website, you will be able to 25 keywords, which is very little. Um, and this is where content and backlinks will definitely help for you to get more organic keywords that you can be found for. But you can see here you have 54 backlinks, and this is giving you a rating of 3.6 here, which is this is what Google will use as a reference so you can start ranking. But going back here, backlinks are just other sites that are mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so that you can find on Google. So, like I was saying, content and backlinks will definitely help. And let's look at here the keywords that you want to be that you're being found for. So, for example, this one, chiropractic solution. This is something that will get you more patients. Not really, but you can see there's 1,200 searches a month. You're ranking number 5 for that, and it's giving you about 94 basics to your website. But then this mouse and chiropractor, definitely something that can bring some traffic to your website. It's 20 searches a month. And because you're on the last position in the first page, you're not even getting one visit a month in average. So something to keep in mind. But other than that, I don't see anything relevant that can bring more potential patients to your website. And if I go into a search, and for example, this one I use chiropractor in Huntington, New York, you can see that this first section, the map section, that this is where you want to be, regardless of your location. You can target specific areas with more volume search for your services. You can target whole state, you can target counties, different cities, townships. Anything is definitely helping you in this top three right here. Then we have organic results. These ones over here, they seem to be having a lot of success in whatever they do in the back end of their website. So number one, number two, then you got Yelp, which is a directory, three, number four, number five, and so on. So this is where you're going to be, especially here in the top three at least, and fighting for these spots. And let's see what these guys are doing. So they're ranking number two. We have the website right here, and you can see that right off the bat they have more content than you do. So I'm pretty sure that this is helping them to be found for their specific keyword as one of the many that they might be found for. So you can see a lot of information here. That's the homepage. Then let's see services. We have more support over here. For example, let's take a look here on chiropractic care. This is over here. More content that definitely it seems that this is helping them. If we look at the back end of the website, of course, 490 keywords that we found for. They have 500 backlinks, but it's not affecting that much of the domain grade. That means that they're getting citations, so it can be found on the map section. Citations are same thing as a backlink. You just mentioning your business and your website with a specific address, telephone, and all the information, so it can be found on the map section. And you can tell here uh, these links are just doing well. So backlinks is uh, you know other sites are mentioning website really big power. Again, really simple. Let's take a look here on the organic keywords, and let's see over here. Chiropractor, Huntington, New York, 100 searches a month, and because they ranking number one, they're getting 34 visits a month for these for these 100 searches. So this could be potential clients, potential patients, and you can see that they're taking advantage of that, something that you could be doing as well. So to wrap things up, so I don't want to take too much of your time. You're gonna compete for those top results. Make sure that you get um, a lot of content, at least twice that what your competitors have. Um, Make sure that includes the keywords you're going to be found for, of course. We saw that chiropractor, Hamilton, New York is one of them. You can definitely use that as well. And having decent quality of backlinks. Again, if you have hundreds, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and if they're not mentioning the keyword they're going to be found for, it could be completely useless. Again, my name is Alex. If you have any questions, please let us know. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope you'll hear from you